Over here. No peeking, okay?
It's gonna be on my face.
Where did Santa give you?
Oh, it's sad!
Is that from Santa?
Who's it to?
Who's that for?
Oh, no.
That's not
It's
yours.
to your mommy and daddy from Santa. Oh, no.
Sabi ni Eric.
Wait, let's look more. Let's go
outside. Come on, let's go
Santa,
outside.
did you leave anything for Christopher?
Uh-oh. Well, go look.
You have to go look better. Nothing, you're sure? Yay, look.
What is it?
Wow, a big boy bike, huh? Here,
Wow!
Yeah, here, go this way.
Abot niya na, Kuya.
Yay! Did you say thank you to Tita Pet?
You're welcome. Big boy.
Wow!
Later when you change and you put your sneakers on, you'll try it, okay? It does work. You have to learn how to push it. You can't do it with your pajamas.
Did you see his face when he saw that one?
Push on the pedals. You have to push on the
Say
pedals.
thank you, Santa. Christopher, what do you say?
Push. Okay, you wait for after. You need to get your...
You got one?
When you have